Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Today I'm going to show you a brand new style from the Modix collection of Ellen Wille NARANO mono part, and I have it in two colors, Sahara Beige Shaded and Sand Mix. Now I want to tell you about these wigs. One of these wigs was provided to me by Ellen Wille, and the other I purchased with my own funds from Wig Studio One. Now, if you did not see recently in our private Facebook group, Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group, Marlene from Marlene's Wig and Chat Studio and we do a live broadcast once a month in that group, and we were fortunate enough to have two of the ladies from Ellen Wille join us in that live, and we talked about all the different collections. We showed tons of wigs. It was a wonderful evening. If you are a member of that Facebook group, you can see the replay. If you did not see it, it will be posted soon to the Wig Studio One YouTube channel. So you'll be able to go over there. And there is so much information there that we would love for you to know about Ellen Wille. It talks about sizing, we talk about colors, we talk about cap construction. Like I said, we put on wigs, we show different wigs and colors. So if you haven't seen it, just watch the Wig Studio One YouTube channel and it will be posted there. But like I said, it is now available to see it in the private Facebook group, Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. I am wearing my Ellen Wille Ferrara, and I believe this is Bahama Beige Shaded. I will link it up here somewhere so you'll know. Let's talk really quickly about the Modix collection. I have fallen in love with this collection. It is new, like I said, from Ellen Wille, and they took some elements from all of these different collections and combined them into this Modix collection. They did a beautiful job. It has been super popular. These are such wearable, beautiful wigs. Okay, so like I said, I have this in two colors. I cannot wait to show it to you. So let's get started and look at Ellen Wille NARANO. Okay, let's talk about NARANO. Now, like I told you, one of the wigs was provided to me from Ellen Wille. Thank you so much, Ellen Wille. And this one I bought from the clearance section at wigstudio1.com. I have not opened it. I thought we'd unbox it together. It is Sahara Beige Shaded. So let's just have a look at it. Okay, it comes in a hairnet like this. Okay, it's a rooted color. So, and I also see the first thing about this coloring is it is a little lighter around the face. First thing I noticed when I took it out of the box. Bob style, low density. Let's look at the inside of this cap. Okay, so NARANO is a lace front. It is not extended, just let you see, into a mono part. It's open wefted. It has closed ear tabs with stays. It has a non-extended felt nape, and there is stretch here. Just let me let you have another look at this lace front. And I'm going to show you these colors in different lighting, so be sure to stay for that. Now, this Sahara Beige Shaded, as you can see, it's very blended. Like we talked about, it's blended around the face. I already see that. Medium gold blondes. Looks like some light strawberry blonde in here. Definitely some light ash blonde running through here. And then it is all on this little bit darker of a root. Yeah, that is really pretty. So that is Sahara Beige Shaded. And let's look at Sand Mix. Okay, here's Sand Mix. I just want you to get a look at it. Dark ash blonde again. Medium golden blonde. Definitely see this medium golden blonde running through here. Also light ash blonde. Now there's no root here. So they are very similar, with one being rooted and the other not. So I want you to see this. They're just basically the same, except this one is rooted. Now they have placed the colors on these in different places on these wigs, as you can tell. Like I said on the front of Sahara Beige Shaded. You can see that highlighted around the front, and is not that heavily highlighted around the front of Sand Mix. So even though the color codes of these have the same color codes, they are in different orders, and they have placed these, from what I understand from Ellen Wille, that means they have placed the colors differently on the two wigs. But otherwise, you're going to see they are the same. Color placement different, and this is rooted. Okay, let's try it on. Okay, I'm going to tell you this fits me quite large. I have a 21 1/4 inch head circumference, and this definitely will need to be taken up. Oh wow. Now you saw me take that out of the box. I'm going to take this crisscross part out a little. Just going to run a wide tooth comb through there just to take it out just a little bit. A bob never goes out of style. It just doesn't. So nice. Again, quite large, 21 1/4 inch head, and this is very big on me. I love this wig. I do. Low density. Very, very low density. There's my hair there. Coverage is good. Ear tabs. Here's the ear tab. It's right over my ear. Now, I'm going to use, now I have some Beauty Mark Flex Hold hairspray, just this little travel size. I love these travel sizes. Just throw in your bag. And I'm just going to spray this off my face a little, just because I like that. Just to get it off my face. It did not fall in my face. You saw that when I took this out. This did not fall flat in my face. I like to just do this. It gives it that little bit of contour there that I prefer. And you can do that by spraying just a little hairspray there. Of course, you could steam it if you wanted to, but I don't think you need to on this one because it does not fall down into your face. Wow, this is beautiful. Again, super, super low density. Run your fingers through there. Now, again, this highlighting, as we talked about earlier, is around the face on this one. However, it is not highlighted this heavily around the face of Sand Mix. Again, showing you how Ellen Wille really takes from what we understand from them. And again, we have so much good information that we got from the ladies from Ellen Wille that I was speaking about earlier on that video. So if you get a chance, be sure to have a look at it. But they talked about on these different styles, how they look at each one and how they place the color that is original to each one of these wigs. Each one of these, and so that's what I like about this. Basically the same color, right? Same color code, but the way the color is placed makes it look so much different. Just that attention to detail from Ellen Wille. Okay, let's style it just a little bit. I like these little headbands that you get. They have a little rubber band in the back. I think they're just kind of fun. Something different, and I will put it on, and then I will just, now I don't have a mirror, y'all. I'm just doing this from just the best I can, so bear with me. But I will take the hair out from around it, all the way around, and cover that up a little bit. Again, I'm just having to do it by feel here, but you can really take some time and work these little fun headbands around, make them work for you, something different. Just, you know, just a little inexpensive hair accessory can make a wig completely different. So much fun. Let's see, with a couple other kinds. I do love a headband with a wig, that is for sure. This one has a long enough front that I can twist it and put a clip in it. Yeah. You could also wear this completely off your face with a headband if you want. Pull it all the way off. Always just pull a little bit of hair to cover whatever of my bow hair might be showing. I'll just pull a little bit out and cover that. It works perfectly. Easy to do. And you can make it super fun and casual by doing that. You could run some water through here, some any kind of styling cream you like. Really piece this out. A lot of different ways to wear it. Okay, I just wanted to show you that this works great with glasses. I just slip them on over my ear tabs. I know a lot of people wear their glasses under their ear tabs. It's not comfortable for me. I just slip them over so I can take them on and off. I wear them on top of my head. I don't have any trouble with that at all. Okay, the specs. The front of this is 8.5 inches. The crown is 10.5. So you have length here. Again, I believe you can see how the highlighting runs through this. The sides on these are 7.5. The nape is 3.5. It only weighs 3.2 ounces. I like that you can, like I said, just enjoy the low density of this, the length of this. My face is 9 inches from hairline to chin. It looks nice. This comes under your chin. It's flattering for most face shapes. Okay, I'm going to insert some footage of lighting, different lighting. I'm going to show you, and I will title it so you'll know what I'm talking about. I'm going to show you both of these colors, indoor lighting and outdoor lighting, and I'm also going to show it to you with all of these lights turned off, which will just be a natural room light. I have a window here and then an overhead light. I will show you that in that lighting as well, so you can get an idea of the color of these two beautiful wigs. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this look at this beautiful Ellen Wille style in these two colors that are similar yet different. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload, and I'll see you next time.